Got a real special one here today. 2003 International 2574. Heavy haul truck, 20,000 pound front, 46 rears. It's got a single locker. Final year for a Cummins N14 as well. Truck came from the government. It's got 98,000 original miles. About 3,500 engine hours. Double framed, 46K Hendrickson Air on off-road suspension, Lowboy ramps, dual fuel tanks. Just a really neat truck. Driver's seat has been redone. Other than that, the seat's original, or the interior is original, I should say. I'll go ahead and start it up here.